The retainer is part of the bit holder lock in your screw gun. The bit holder is held in place by a ball bearing that fits into the spindle. The ball bearing is secured to the spindle by the retainer. After years of use, the retainer can become loose and the ball bearing can then be lost. Replacing the retainer is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nose piece. Now I'll remove the bit holder. I'll place it in the vise, gently tighten the vise, and then I can pull the drill away from the bit holder. Now I can remove the clutch housing from the rest of the drill. I'll place a wrench on the front of the housing and remove it. And this is a reverse thread. Now I'll remove the spindle from the clutch housing. Now I'll clamp the spindle in my vise so I can remove the retainer. With the retainer removed, I can remove the ball bearing. Now I can install the new retainer. I'll begin by sliding the retainer over the end of the shaft. I'll use a pair of split ring pliers to squeeze the retainer open to get it started on the shaft. I'll rotate it around so the hole in the retainer is lined up with the hole in the spindle. Work it on a little ways farther. Now I'll place the ball bearing into the spindle and carefully slide the retainer over the bearing, being careful not to lose the bearing. Now I can put the spindle assembly back into the clutch housing and screw it back onto the drill. Now I can reinstall the bit holder. And now I'll reinstall the nose piece. I align the tabs inside the locator with the grooves on the clutch housing. And once aligned, I just press the collar onto the detents. And that's all it takes to install a new retainer in your tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up